When it comes to improving your home's curb appeal, every detail counts. Homeowners in Manassas, Virginia, understand the importance of creating a lasting first impression. One often overlooked yet incredibly effective way to boost the appearance of your home is by installing awning windows. These stylish, functional, and versatile windows can elevate the aesthetic of your home while offering practical benefits that enhance your living experience. In this article, we'll explore how awning windows can enhance your home's curb appeal in Manassas and why they are a great investment for local homeowners. The aesthetic appeal of awning windows. Awning windows are characterized by their hinged top and outward opening design. This distinctive look provides a sleek and modern appearance that complements a variety of architectural styles, from traditional to contemporary. Whether your home boasts a classic colonial or a more modern design, awning windows can seamlessly fit into your aesthetic, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. In Manassas, where homes feature a mix of historical charm and newer constructions, awning windows are an ideal choice. Their clean lines and minimalist design don't overpower your home's style but instead enhance its architectural features. Whether you install them on the main floor or in upper-level bedrooms, awning windows can add a unique touch that draws the eye and makes your home stand out in the neighborhood. Maximizing natural light and ventilation. Beyond their visual appeal, awning windows offer functional benefits that contribute to the overall comfort and livability of your home. One of the standout features of these windows is their ability to maximize natural light and ventilation. In Manassas, where the climate varies throughout the year, it's essential to have windows that allow for fresh air circulation, especially during warmer months. Because awning windows open outward from the top, they create a shield that prevents rain from entering, allowing you to enjoy the breeze even during a light shower. This feature makes them perfect for homes in areas that experience frequent rain or high humidity, as they provide ventilation without compromising your home's protection from the elements. This combination of practicality and style makes awning windows a great option for homeowners looking to enhance both the function and appearance of their homes. Energy efficiency and weather resistance. Energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners, especially in a region like Manassas, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly throughout the year. Awning windows are known for their excellent energy performance. The tight seal that forms when the window is closed helps to prevent drafts, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. This can lead to significant savings on your energy bills, making awning windows a wise investment for any homeowner. In addition to their energy efficiency, awning windows are particularly well suited for areas that experience varying weather conditions. The ability of these windows to open outward, creating a weather-tight seal, makes them highly resistant to wind, rain, and snow. For homeowners in Manassas, this means you can enjoy the benefits of fresh air and natural light while ensuring that your home remains protected from the elements. Customization options to suit your style. Awning windows offer a wide range of customization options that allow you to tailor their design to suit your home's unique style. You can choose from a variety of frame materials, such as vinyl, wood, or aluminum, depending on your preference and desired aesthetic. Additionally, you can select from different colors and finishes to complement the exterior of your home. For homeowners in Manassas, where many homes feature distinct architectural styles, the ability to customize your awning windows is a key benefit. Whether you want a bold contrast with a dark-colored frame or a subtle blend with your home's exterior, you can create a cohesive and attractive look that enhances your home's curb appeal. Increased home value. Installing awning windows is not just about improving the look of your home. It can also increase its market value. Potential buyers often look for homes that are both visually appealing and energy efficient. Awning windows tick both boxes, offering a stylish upgrade that can make your property more attractive to buyers. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to increase your home's value, awning windows are a worthwhile investment that will pay off in the long run. Conclusion. Awning windows offer Manassas homeowners a stylish and practical way to enhance their home's curb appeal. With their modern design, superior functionality, and energy-efficient benefits, these windows are a fantastic option for those looking to improve both the aesthetics and comfort of their homes. Whether you're renovating your current home or building a new one, consider the timeless appeal of awning windows to create a more inviting and attractive exterior that will stand out in the neighborhood.